All right, folks, I'm really excited to talk to you about our new SlipNot cushions. I have a sample here, and I have one on this beautiful Chivari chair. SlipNot is a new technology. You might be thinking, new technology, it sounds like electronics or AI, but believe it or not, we have new technology within the chair industry. And that's here, in the bottom, it has this rubber finish, which we call SlipNot. And what that does is, it prevents the cushion from falling off the chair. So watch as I'm gonna turn this chair 45 degrees, and you'll see that cushion's not going anywhere. I'm going to slide it a little bit further. Cushion's not coming off. So why? Again, it's our new exclusive SlipNot technology that we've added to our new SlipNot cushions. So why is this important? Well, obviously there are, and I'm going to take this off, and you'll see the seat is perfectly fine. Traditional panel back cushions use an adhesive and Velcro strip. And what happens is, when you put that adhesive on the chair, you've basically ruined the finish of your chair seat. In this case, you press on the SlipNot cushion, put it on before the event, and then just take it off when you're done. And guess what? The seat is perfectly fine. You haven't ruined the seat, and it's the easiest, quickest way to put a cushion on. It's that easy. And then take it off when you're done. This is the easiest cushion to use. It's our new SlipNot cushions. This is an incredible time saver. It helps you with a lot of labor costs and time. So if you want the easiest cushion that is incredibly comfortable, beautiful, and doesn't ruin the finish of your seat, you want to look at our new SlipNot cushions, available today at Chivari.com.